I have come here for Urdu Mela and I'm going to talk about a little bit about that. And I'm all excited to read and cover some of the aspect from the various books. I will just give some detail down. Before that, I just wanted to give some snippets of how the Urdu language as a whole has been studied. Urdu has been shown that actually predominantly come from the two things, one from Persia, one from Arabic. From these two created one language called Hindustani, or is also called another. When the Mughal came and then they just renamed that version to Urdu, right? And also it has its own language also as well, in various languages and all that. And lots of people have sacrificed, put their heart and soul to make the language better and all that. This language has evolved so long and all that. In the previous video, I talked about something called cognitive benefit, right? When you learn any language, and what will happen is your ability to solve the problem, your ability to tackle the problem and resolve and be creative and all that will get stem automatically, right? I just wanted to stem and come back and then and reflect this point that always read books, and this is something where you can acquire knowledge and you can transmit the knowledge, right? And so cognitive, in the psychological aspect, cognitive learning and cognitive thinking and cognitive aspect is being taken so much advantage. And I just wanted to come back and then say that read your language. And there is another point that actually whatever you read in your mother tongue has got that added advantage to it. What is the added advantage to it? You will be able to learn and get that depth of the subject and all that, right? So therefore, and anything you read, whether you can go in engineering field or in a doctor field and all that, and at the end of the day you come back and read and contemplate and understand in your mother tongue, it will truly will give you like deeper insight. From the deeper insight you will be able to understand it, and you will never forget that topic at all, right? It will get registered in your mind and all that, right? Multilinguist, right? Knowing multiple language always added advantage, no matter what you become, right? At the end of the day, come back and learn, and your mother tongue, reading and writing, it has been shown a great skill. And there is something I just wanted to end my talk by saying that cognitive learning you will acquire by that. So thank you so much, and I will cover some of the videos, some of the books I will read it and cover as a review as well. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.